Hello, good evening everyone. Hi, welcome to Gradeup. And I'm really sorry for the delay because there was some technical problem. Could not help it out. Hi Ayush, good evening. Happy to see you after a long time. I wasn't well, so I could not take many sessions in the last 10-20 days. Hi Anshul, hello. So we'll just start now. Yeah, I'm better now Ayush, but वही है मतलब there is a lot of weakness in these 10-11 days. It will improve by time. ठीक है जी. So what are we going to discuss today? We have this mock test 2 and we are discussing the DILR section of the same. So let us just start it. There were 5 sets of 4 questions each. So I started doing right from set 1. And the point is to discuss those sets which I think should have been done in this exam, right? तो उन्हीं को हम लोग discuss करेंगे फिलहाल, right? So let's start with the first one here, which is there on your screen now. It says A, B, C, D, E and F are the 6 students in an academy. In training, they consumed 4 types of energy drinks named G, M, T and R, which have 20, 10, 10 and 20 energy points respectively. Right? Hi, good evening Aninda Sen. The number of different energy drinks consumed by them on a particular day were as follows. So these are the number of drinks that they have taken. After consuming the energy drinks, they divided themselves into 2 groups having 3 students each and played tug of war, in which the group having higher sum of energy points of the participants won. So when I started doing this set, so the moment I come to this set, I saw first of all that the table is complete. He is not asking us to first of all complete the table. Normally otherwise कई बार ऐसा होता है ना that some of the figures are missing. So first you have to figure out कि यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, वहाँ पे क्या आएगा, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, and then you move on to the next part of it. Then there are some cases formed and accordingly then you start answering the questions. वो थोड़ा सा प्रोसेस जो ज़्यादा लेंदी हो जाता है एंड डाइसी भी हो जाता है. इन सच केसेस आई सजेस्ट दैट डू नॉट अटेम्प्ट देम एट द फर्स्ट go. But here I see that the table is complete. He has completely told us that which person has taken which energy drink. Their points are also given to us respectively, mind you, that Gatorade has got how many points, Monster has got how many points, Zynga has got how many points. Otherwise कई बार उसमें भी cases बन जाते हैं that these are given in any order, 2 of them are having 20 points, 2 of them are having 10 points, but ये भी उसने exactly हम लोगों को बता दिया है. And after that I see the information is no more there. So whatever he'll be asking you on these informations only. So this gives me a hint that this set is doable. But as I have told you always before as well that look at this set, do not straight away start doing it, move on to the questions, look at the questions once, देखिए questions में क्या पूछ रहा है और उसके हिसाब से then start making the set. So here when I moved on to the first question, it says what is the probability that the winning team includes F. Now it is a question of probability. So even if it is easy, for many of us probably it would become a problem area now, right? कि ये तो गड़बड़ वाली बात है, because now it is talking about the probability and probability is one area in which we are not very comfortable, right? See, if you are not comfortable in probability, still I am sure that the discomfort in LRDI is much higher than the discomfort in probability, right? And if you are getting one set in which he's asking you about probability, but what is the information there with you? आप ये सोचिए ना कि information क्या दे रखी है. Only this much of information is there. 6 students are there. You have to divide this 6 students into 2 groups of 3 students each. In how many ways I can do that, right? तो 6C3 वैसे तो बनता है, that gives us the total number of ways as 20, but actually 20 नहीं होता, वो 10 होता है because of grouping. But I'm saying, let us say I do not have the idea of grouping, तो मेरे दिमाग में ये आ जाएगा that 6 people are there, so I have to make a group of 3. In how many ways I can make a group of 3? तो 6C3. But if you have done grouping well, तो आपको पता होगा ऐसे में 6C3 into 3C3 divided by 2 factorial करते हैं. When the group sizes are similar, you divide by the factorial of the number of groups, right? So total यहाँ पे actually 10 ही ways में grouping हो सकती है. 3 के 2 groups जो है, you can only make them in 10 ways. So whatever question would be asked to you, it will be asked from those 10 ways only. So how much is he going to ask you? Probability जो भी होगी इन 10 cases को देख के हम लोग बारी बारी आंसर कर देंगे. Hi, good evening Priya. So let's just start making the cases. Though I would not say that to make all the cases is important, but still I think that will give us the complete clarity. तो एक बार बना डालते हैं, खत्म करते हैं फिर उस हिसाब को. So it has got 20 points, it has got 10 points, it has got 10 points, it has got 20 points. So according to this, what is the total number of points of A? 10 into 2, 20 plus 1 into 2, 20. So the number of points of A is equal to 40, right? A के points 40 बन जाएंगे. Points of B are 2 into 20, that is 40, plus 1 into 10, that is 10. So total number of points of B is 50. C के लिए it is 20 plus 10, that is equal to 30. D के लिए it is 20 plus 20, that is equal to 40. E के लिए it is 10 plus 40, that is 50. And last is 20 plus 40, that is 60. So the total number of energy points of these people are 40, 50, 30, 40, 50, 60. Hi, good evening Kavita Singh. इन सब लोगों के पॉइंट्स मिल गए. Now question said you have to make 2 groups of 3 each. 3 के 2 ग्रुप बनाने हैं. So let's see what all groups can we form. यहाँ पे मैं ग्रुप्स बना देता हूँ. So one of the ways is that we have ABC on one side and we have DEF on the other side. After that I have another group of ABD. So obviously CEF would be on the other side. Then we have a possibility as ABE. ABE अगर इधर है तो उधर क्या क्या बन जाएगा आपका CD and F. Then we have a possibility of ABF. उधर आ जाएगा CDE. Then we have ACD. ACD के बाद उधर कितना बनेगा BEF. Then we have a possibility of ACE. ACE के केस में on the other side I have BDF. Then I have ACF. ACF में उधर कौन आ जाएगा BDE. The next is ADE. ADE के साथ आ जाएगा BCF. Then we have ADF. ADF के साथ उधर आ जाएगा BCE. And the last I have is AEF. And on the other side it is BCD. These are the 10 ways in which it is possible. First of all, how did I count these 10? I told you 6C3 by 2 factorial is the total number of ways. When you do 6C3, you have these 10 pairs on your left. Automatically 6C3 includes the 10 pairs on your right as well. But वो left वाले और right वाले pair actually जो है 2 pair से you get one single case. So there are a total of 10 possibilities. How did I make sure that I have made all the cases? ध्यान से देखिएगा, मैं बताता हूँ कैसे करते हैं. I saw one A. See, A किसी ना किसी ग्रुप में तो जाएगा. So I fixed A. After fixing A, then I fixed B. Who can be the third one? C, D, E, F. These are the 4 possibilities. A तो permanently fixed. After A, I fixed B. There are 4 possibilities. Then, rather than fixing B, I fixed C. When I fixed C, there are 3 possibilities. D, E and F. And after that, I fixed D. Then there are 2 possibilities, E and F. Then I fixed E. E के साथ there is only one possibility, and this gives us a total of 10 cases which I have written over here. Now I just have to write their scores, right? First of all, what is the total score? Total score is 40 plus 50, 90 plus 30, 120 plus 40, 160 plus 110, 270. He says जिसके भी ज़्यादा score होंगे, that person is going to, that group is going to win the game. Half of 270 is 135. So can I say whoever is having more than 135 is going to win? Whoever is having less than 135 is going to lose, right? So first मैं पहले मैं ABC का score लिखता हूँ. ABC is 40 plus 50 plus 30, that is equal to 120. So they are the loser ones. Then ABD 40 50 40, तो ये आ जाएगा 130, they are again losing. ABE is 40 50 50, that is 140, so now they are going to win. ABF 40 50 and 60, that is 150, they are again going to win. ACD 40 plus 30 70 plus 40 110, so this is 110. ACE 40 plus 30 plus 50, तो ये आ जाएगा 120, again going to lose. ACF 70 plus 60 130, again going to lose. ADE 4 plus 4 8 plus 5 130, lose. ADF 4 plus 4 8 plus 6 140, they are going to win. And last AEF, तो ये आ जाएगा 150, they are again going to win. So मैंने सबके पॉइंट्स ऐड कर दिए, फटाफट ये लिख डाले. अब मैं दूसरे साइड जो है सीधा सीधा I'll just subtract from 270 and I write 150 में ये जितना आएगा, तो 270 में से माइनस करोगे 140, ये आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम इट इज 130, नेक्स्ट टाइम इट इज 120, नेक्स्ट टाइम इट इज 160, नेक्स्ट टाइम इट इज 150, then I have 140, then again I have 140, I have 130 and 120. Now whatever question is going to ask us, we have written everything on our screen. Just start answering the questions now, right? Let us look at the first question. What is the probability that the winning team includes F? So there are a total of 10 cases. Out of these 10 cases, I have to see how many times the winner has F, and winner means the one in blue. First case में yes it is there, second case में yes it is there, third case में no, fourth case में it is there, fifth case में it is there, sixth में it is there, seventh में no, eighth में it is there, ninth में it is there, 10th में it is there. So out of 10 cases, F is there in 8 of the cases. 8 divided by 10 is 0.8. So the answer for first question is 0.8. Actually, if you look at it, it is not a question of probability. Just I have to count the cases. ये count किए, उसमें से वो गिना कितने cases में the person is there, and we just wrote the favorable cases upon total number of cases. This gives us the answer. Any problem here? Have you understood this? Hi, good evening, Purushottam Kumar. I just saw the YouTube chats. I'm sorry for that. What's the total number I should attempt in CAT paper to get a good college? No answer to this, Purushottam. We don't even know how many questions are going to be there. Hi, good evening, Khyati Verma. Let's move on to the next question now. Question number 2. What is the probability that winning team includes both D and E? Now I hope you know what is to be done. Both D and E. In first case, both of them are there. Second case, में both of them are not there. Third, में they are not there. Fourth, में they are not there. Fifth, में they are not there. Sixth, में no. Sixth, में they are again there. 2 cases. And then I have only 2 cases. So 10 में से there are only 2 cases in which they both are there in the winning team. The answer is 2 by 10. And 2 by 10 is 0.2. The answer is option B. I hope you can see that the question becomes too easy once we just make this complete thing. Where can I check my mega mock results? I did not have email registered in Gradeup. So Pavan, I think if the email is not registered, you won't be able to write the mock as well. Is it? I'm not very sure of this, though. Let's move on to the third one. If D is a member of the winning team, in how many ways can the other 2 members of the winning team be selected? So if D is a member, in how many ways we can select the other 2 members of the winning team? Let us see that, guys. So in what all cases D is a member? First of all, I'll see that, and then I'll see in that case what all possibilities are there for the other two members, right? In the first case, D is there. Along with D and E, D you have E and F. In second case, D is not there. Third में D is not there. Fourth में D is not there. Fifth में D is not there. Sixth में D is there. Along with him we have B and F. Then next में D is there. Along with him we have B and E. Then next is BCF. Then ADF में है. Along with D we have A and F. Or last में D is not there. So there are 4 cases in which the winning team is having D. So apart from D, the other 2 members can be selected in 4 ways. So my answer is option C. We can give mark with only phone number registered account, sir. Okay, Pavan. So I am not very sure about this. I can do one thing, that either you find out the counselor's number from the app. If you do not find it out, just let me know. I'll give the number to you. So you can call up at that number and check, right? So tell me, I'll give it to you by the end of this session only. And the last question, if A and C are the members of the winning team, in how many ways can the third member of the winning team be selected? A and C are the members, in how many ways the third member can be selected? So we'll check in how many ways A and C are the winning members, right? A and C बोला था ना उसने? Yes, A and C. So in how many ways third members? A and C देखते हैं winning team में है क्या? First case में they are not there, second case में they are not there, again not there, not there. A and C यहाँ भी नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं है. Oh, so A and C वाली टीम जीत ही नहीं सकती. Actually A and C their scores add up to 70. To win you need minimum 135. 70 में minimum 65 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. Only then you can win. There is no team that can, there no person that have a score of 65. So obviously that cannot be done. So obviously I can say in this case that my answer would be 0. Right? For question number 4, the answer is 0. So I hope you have understood this now. Any problem, guys? Any problem to anyone? Okay, Shayan, any problem here? Loop you have written, कोई doubt है क्या इसमें? What to do if we have many cases or possibilities, say 30, 40 in this kind of question? Are we supposed to consider all? Durga Sai, see, I would say that if the number of possibilities is 30, 40, do not write all the possibilities. In those cases, go by the question. So whichever question demands whatever case, so just make that case and then go ahead with it. Obviously, because if we make so many possibilities, it will be very problematic for us. ठीक है जी. So let's move on to the next set now. This was the another set that we had. An intelligence quotient test by an institute was conducted. So when I read this complete thing, it said test ABC take 20 minutes, 15 minutes and 10 minutes. Each student appears for only one test out of the 3. Institute had 3 examination rooms. 1, 2, 3. Each room can accommodate 10 students. The tests were conducted in 3 rooms on the 6 days of the week. Monday, Thursday को टेस्ट A यहाँ पे होता है, टेस्ट B यहाँ पे, टेस्ट C यहाँ पे, Tuesday, Friday, Wednesday, Saturday. So I saw a lot of data in this question. Honestly, telling you कि मुझे लगा बहुत सारा डेटा है. Then I saw that there is another information as well. 10 AM शुरू होता है, 3 PM तक जाता है. It starts at a gap of 5 minutes. So probably making this set would not be a good idea. So I would probably leave this. I did not find the counselor number. I'll wait for the contact number. Just remind me once, Pavan. I'll give it to you, right? भूल ना जाऊं मैं, मुझे याद जरूर दिला देना है at the end. Okay, so I will skip this set here. So let's move on to the next. कि next क्या बात करता है? The radial graph given below shows the number of persons who visited a restaurant on each day among 16 consecutive days from day 1 to day 60. Each line in the graph represents a day and its length indicates the number of persons who visited the restaurant on that day as indicated by the number of circles at the line spans. For example, the vertical line pointing up from the center of the graph indicates that 4% visit. Vertical line is this line, right? So 4 persons कैसे? Because it is on fourth circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 16 days in their chronological order are represented by the 16 lines in the graph in the clockwise direction. In other words, for n is equal to 1 to 15, the line representing day n plus 1 is immediately next to the line representing day n when considered in clockwise direction. Now, normally this is a new set for us. और जनरली स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं ऐसे केस में, दे स्किप सच ए सेट कि नहीं ये तो एकदम से नई चीज आ गई, हाउ वुड आई बी एबल टू डू दिस. So it has got a positive side to this as well, that normally when a new thing would be given to you, he would be giving it to you easy. If you are comfortable enough to just understand the data initially and try, you can do that. So I would always suggest to go for these. I should always suggest to go for these. Matlab, if I am doing this set, I'll definitely do it. Moreover, how much data is there? It looks slightly confusing, but actually he is just telling you the number of days, number of visitors on these particular days, and if you can interpret the above data well, तो उसके बाद कोई doubt ही नहीं है. Okay, Ayush has shared the number as well with you, Pavan. I hope you can see that on the screen, and thank you very much, Ayush. That will be very helpful for him. Right? So he has already told you that you have to move in the clockwise direction from there, और clockwise direction में चलेंगे. So every time day n plus 1 is immediately next to the line representing day n. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 ऐसा clockwise चल रहा है, ठीक. But he has not told us that which day is 1, which day is 2, which day is 3, but it is in order. ये पक्का है. This is what he has told us. I would definitely go for such a set, right? Because graph तो खत्म ही हो जाएगा. I'll just write down all the values one by one, right? So whichever days are these, I don't know. I am starting from here. यहाँ से शुरू कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? So I am starting from here. So on the first starting day, I see that the number of visitors is 4. The very next day, this figure is 7, right? इसको मैं इधर से हटा देता हूँ, इधर से 4. Then we have 7. So here I have 5. तो यहाँ लिखने के बजाय ग्राफ पे लिख देता हूँ. Here I have 8. Then it is 3. Then it is 5 again. Then again 8, 7, and then 2. This is 3. Again 2. Then again 8. Again 2, 3, 4, and then sorry, not 4, not 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 it is, 6 it is, and again 4 it is. So these are all the numbers. Whatever the question would be asking you, it will be based upon this. तो अगर आपको ग्राफ में इसमें दिक्कत हो रही है तो नंबर लाइन में लिख डालिए एक बार. That also can be done. So we have 4. किसी और कलर में लिख डालता हूं मैं, कलर्स का फायदा उठाते हैं. So we have 4, then we have 7, then we have 5, after that 8, then we have 3, again 5, again 8, 7, 2, 3, 2, 8, 2, 4, 6, and 4. So these are all the 16 numbers, 16 days that I have written. जो भी पूछेगा इन्हीं डेज पे तो पूछेगा. So अच्छा, आयुष सेज कोई गड़बड़ है, एक बार देख लेते हैं एक बार. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, then again 8, 7, then 2, and then 3. Yes, this number is wrong. Ayush, you are right. This number is 3, है ना? तो यहाँ पे 3 आ जाए. नहीं, ये कौन सा नंबर था? 8 से पहले वाला 2, 3, 3 है. और फिर 8 and then we have 2, then we have 4. बाकी तो ठीक है ना आयुष? मेरे ख्याल से एक ही नंबर था. There was only one number in which there was some problem. चलिए जी, look at the questions now. First question: if it is known that the total number of persons who visited the restaurant from day 1 to 5 was greater than 28, So day 1 plus day 2 plus day 3 plus day 4 plus day 5, he says their sum is greater than 28. So greater than 28 का मतलब ये है minimum 29. What is the difference between the number of persons who visited the restaurant on day 10 and that on day 13? So basically there are 5 consecutive numbers and their sum should be minimum 29. This is what the question is saying now. So let's see what happens. Okay, Durga Sai is saying also 4 left of 2. 4 left of 2. कुछ गलत लिखा गया मैंने. It is 4 7 5 8 3 5 8 7 2 3 3 नहीं 2 4 3 है. हाँ यहाँ 4 है. 2 4 3 एंड देन 8. तो इसको भी मैं ठीक कर देता हूँ. 4 है एंड देन 2 4 6. अब ठीक है ना? अब मेरे ख्याल से ठीक है. ठीक है अब. हाँ अब ठीक है. आई गॉट इट. 2 values to the left of 7 should be 4. 2 values to the left of 7. हाँ 4 है, वो 2 ही हैं दुर्गा साई. ठीक है जी. हाँ जी. He says that 5 consecutive numbers they add up to minimum 29. So let us see in which case that happens. तो अगर मैं first 5 को add करता हूं, this gives me 4 plus 7 11 plus 5 16 plus 8 24 plus 3 27. नहीं बनेगा. 27 है तो नेक्स्ट 5 को ऐड करता हूं. 12 plus 8 20 plus 3 25 28. ये भी नहीं बनेगा. नेक्स्ट ऐड करते हैं. 5 plus 8 13 plus 3 16 plus 5 21 29 बन रहा है. See guys. So the first case in which it becomes 29 is this. 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8, that is 29. नेक्स्ट 5 देखते हैं. 8 plus 3 11 plus 5 16 plus 8 24 plus 7 31. तो ये भी बन रहा है 29 से ज्यादा. दिस इज ऑल्सो मिनिमम 29. नेक्स्ट वुड नॉट बी देयर क्योंकि 2 आ गया है. देन 4 इज देयर, देन 3 इज देयर. ऑब्वियसली दीज 2 4 एंड 3 वुड नॉट लेट इट मेक 29. राइट. मिनिमम 29 तो नहीं बनने देगा. और नेक्स्ट 5 में देखेंगे फिर से यही 4 3 तो आएंगे, साथ में ये 2 4 भी आ जाएंगे. दैट मीन्स दिस इज द ओनली केस इन विच इट इज पॉसिबल. राइट. These are the only 2 cases, case 1 and case 2, in which sum of 5 consecutive numbers can be greater than 28. Now the question was saying that these are day 1 to 5. So if day 1 to 5 are case 1, right? तो question ने पूछा क्या है आपसे? What is the difference between day 10 or day 13? So in case 1, if these are day 1 to 5, then day 10 कौन सा आएगा? 6 7 8 9 10. This will be day 10 and day 13 would be this. The difference between them is 2. And if I talk about case 2, then this would be day 10 and this would be day 13. What is the difference between them? Still 2. So the answer for this question would be option A, that is 2. He said that in such a case, what is the difference between the number of people who visited on day 10 and day 13? Fortunately, in both the cases, day 10 और day 13 के लोगों का difference 2 ही आ रहा है. So therefore my answer is option A, that is equal to 2. Right? इतनी मेहनत question के अंदर बनती है because anyways data wise there is not much. So whatever he'll be giving you he'll be giving it to you in the question only. और कहाँ देगा इससे ज्यादा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं एक बार. इट इज नोन दैट नॉट मोर देन 6 persons visited the restaurant on any Thursday or any Sunday and exactly 6 persons visited the restaurant on day 1. What is the total number of persons who visited the restaurant on a Monday? ठीक है जी. So let me first remove all this data. First of all, he said that 6 people visited the restaurant on day 1. 6 people visited the restaurant on day 1 and 6 is only this, right? So this must be day 1, right? So this must be day 2. तो ये बन जाएगा day 3, ये बन जाएगा day 4, ये बन जाएगा day 5, ये बन जाएगा day 6. Day 7 is as good as day 0, right? Because हमें ये भी देखना है Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then this becomes day 1 again, this becomes day 2 again, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. Day 7 is again 0, day 1 and day 2. I mean, if 1 represents Monday, 2 represents Tuesday, 3 represents Wednesday, 4 represents Thursday, ऐसा करके हम लोग बना रहे हैं. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 0, 1 and 2, right? What more was there? He said it is known that not more than 6 persons visited on Thursday or Sunday. So जो भी दिन हमारे पास 6 से ज्यादा लोग जा रहे हैं, that day cannot be Thursday or Sunday. इसका मतलब कौन कौन से दिन है वो which cannot be Thursday or Sunday. So this cannot be Thursday or Sunday, this cannot be Thursday or Sunday, and this cannot be Thursday or Sunday. और कौन सा है? This cannot be Thursday or Sunday, this cannot be Thursday or Sunday. That's all, right? Whenever more than 6 people are visited, that day cannot be Thursday or Sunday. This is what the question says. Now week में दिन है हमारे पास 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 0, out of which day 4 cannot be Thursday or Sunday, day 6 cannot be Thursday or Sunday, day 2 cannot be Thursday or Sunday, day 3 cannot be Thursday or Sunday, day 0 cannot be Thursday or Sunday. So can I say Thursday and Sunday can only be day 1 and 5, right? Thursday and Sunday can only be day 1 and 5, और वो भी तब पॉसिबल होगा when this day is Sunday, day 1. So 2 would be Monday, 3 would be Tuesday, 4 would be Wednesday, and 5 would be Thursday. 1 is Sunday and 5 is Thursday. Now the question says that how many people visited the restaurant on Monday. Monday को कितने लोग विजिट कर रहे हैं. अब अगर 1 का मतलब संडे है तो Monday means 2. So 2 कहां पर आ रहा है? एक तो यहां पर आ रहा है 2, और 2 कहां पर आ रहा है? एक यहां पर आ रहा है 2, और एक यहां पर आ रहा है 2. So how many people visited on Monday? That is 8 plus 4 plus 4. 8 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. So my answer is 16. That 16 people visited it on Monday. 16 people visited on Monday. Is that clear? Yes, I hope you understood this. 16 वाला पोर्शन भी. डेटा ज्यादा नहीं है बट क्वेश्चंस आर स्लाइटली ट्रिकी. ठीक है, बढ़िया क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं. परफेक्टली कैट टाइप सेट. कैट ऐसे सेट आपसे पूछेगा ही पूछेगा फॉर श्योर. नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. If it is known that for any day, day n, not more than n plus 3 persons visited on that day, how many persons visited the restaurant on day 14? That means on day 1, maximum how many people visited? 4. On day 2, maximum 5. On day 3, maximum 6. On day 4, maximum 7. On day 5, maximum 8. 8 से ज्यादा लोग तो वैसे भी कभी विजिट नहीं कर रहे. सो द पॉइंट इज देयर मस्ट बी 5 consecutive days which should not go above 4 5 6 7 8. So let's see when does that happen. 5 consecutive days should not go above 4 5 6 7 and 8. Let me remove this data and let's try to figure out कि वो दिन कौन से हैं. When there are 5 consecutive days which does not go above 4 5 6 7 8. Let us see guys. So 4 5 6 7 8, 4 5 6 7 8, 4 5 6 7 8 से ऊपर 4 5 6 7 8 4 5. देखिए यहां पे हो रहा है. ये यहां से शुरू कीजिए. If this is day 1, this is day 2, this is day 3, this is day 4, and this is day 5. So that means there are 5 consecutive days which are not going above 4 5 6 7. This is what the question said, that on day n not more than n plus 3 visited, right? तो इसका मतलब on day 1 not more than 4 visited, on day 2 not more than 5 visited, on day 3 not more than 6 visited. ये सही बात भी है. On day 4 not more than 7 visited, on day 5 not more than 8 visited, और बाकी तो अपने आप ही सेटिस्फाई कर जाएंगे. सो द क्वेश्चन सेज इन सच ए केस. पूछा क्या है फिर उसने आपसे? ही सेज ये रहा, हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स विजिटेड द रेस्टोरेंट ऑन डे 14. तो डे 14 कौन सा बनेगा? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many people visited on day 14? The answer is 4. That 4 people visited on day 14. That is answer B. New data, lesser data, but the questions are beautiful. Okay, he has asked the questions in a beautiful manner, all the questions. So it's a purely CAT type set, I would say, purely CAT type set. CAT asks you this. If you find this set easy, you can definitely do well in LRDI section in CAT as well. लेकिन अगर आपको यहाँ पे दिक्कत आ रही है, थोड़ा सा और मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, इसका सीधा सा मतलब ये है. And this brings us to the last question of this set. If it is known that sum of the number of persons who visited the restaurant on no 2 consecutive days among the first 11 days was 8, how many persons visited the restaurant on day 14? So in the first 11 days, no 2 should be 8. He's not saying more than 8 or less than 8. Exactly 8 नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Then how many people visited on day 14? Let us see. अब इसको भी बात करते हैं. So let me just remove this data. He says first 11 days में no 2 should add up to 8. So let's just figure out guys कि कब आता है ऐसा. So देखते हैं 8 बन ही कब रहा है. So 8 आपका बन रहा है एक तो यहाँ पे 5 + 3 is 8, right? और कहाँ बन रहा है? और बन रहा है आपका 5 + 3 is 8, और कहीं 8 बन रहा है 7, 8, 10, 6 प्लस, हाँ, और ये बनेगा 4. इसके बाद जब आप आगे जाओगे तो नेक्स्ट डे ये आ जाएगा 4 + 4, राइट? आई मीन अगर मैं यहां से बताऊं, सो वन वे इज दिस कि 4 + 4 8 बन जाए, एंड द अदर वन इज दिस कि 5 + 3 8 बन जाए. He says when you take 11 consecutive days, no 2 should appear whose numbers add up to 8. ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट एडिंग फ्रॉम हियर. यहां से शुरू करो जरा एक बार काउंटिंग को, मतलब यहां से, राइट? सो डे 1, डे 2, डे 3, डे 4, डे 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. कहने से these are the only 11 consecutive days I can take such that no 2 add up to 8. क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट पेयर आ रहा था हमारा 3 और 5 वाला, उसका 3 रह गया, और जो लास्ट पेयर आ रहा था 4 4 वाला, उसका एक 4 रह गया. एंड बाय डूइंग दैट वी आर एबल टू फाइंड 11 कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स इन विच no 2 add up to 8. कोई भी 2 8 नहीं बन रहे. एंड इफ दीज आर द 11 days, क्वेश्चन सेज व्हाट इज 11 डे 14. सो 11 के बाद ये आ गया 12, 13, 14. सो ऑन डे 14 आई विल हैव 5 people in the store. This is what the question is asking you, that how many persons visited the restaurant on day 14? That is equal to 5. So 5 is the correct answer. He said no pair should add up to 8. We found there were only 2 pairs. तो मैंने अब कोई भी 11 कंसेक्यूटिव लूंगा, कोई ना कोई एक पेयर तो इंक्लूड होगा ही. तो फर्स्ट पेयर का I left the first number, started with second, and it completes on the first number of the second pair. That was the only way through which we could do this. उसमें day 14 हम लोगों ने चेक करा, तो we got the answer. So these were those 2 sets in this DILR section. I would say everyone should have attempted. Now I'm not saying these are the only 2 sets that you have to do, but yes, these 2 are must for everyone. These 8 questions will take you to more than 90 percentile. After that, choose the best set of your choice, do that set, and I think that will take you around 97, 98 percentile. Right? So proper CAT type sets थे दोनों. CAT में भी ऐसा जरूर होगा, जितने भी sets होंगे you will definitely find minimum 2 sets easy. Figure out those first. That will make your 90 percentile. And after that जो मन करे करो. उसके बाद एक सेट 2 सेट जो आपको ठीक लगे, because you have reached the safe zone. उसके बाद जितना स्कोर इंप्रूव हो सकता है, that is up to you कि आप उसमें कितना इंप्रूव कर पाते हैं. ठीक है guys, so I hope you would have understood this now. So that is all for today. This is what I wanted to discuss. कि इस सेक्शन को करने के लिए सही सेट्स कौन से थे. These were those 2 sets that I wanted to discuss with you. So that's all now guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the session. Now have a good night.